My name is Mike Nagy. I'm a systems analyst with University IT at the University of Houston. The University of Houston has begun a green initiative and a sustainability program, and I'd like to talk about those two terms, green and sustainability. A lot of the literature that you see uses those terms fairly interchangeably. The problem is they're not interchangeable. They are two discretely different elements. They are complementary. But what I'd like to do is talk about green and sustainability so that as you access documents and information at the University of Houston, you have a better understanding of what it is we're trying to achieve. What do we mean by green? There's a phrase you may be familiar with that goes something like act local, think global, or act locally, think globally. In that context, green is the local part. Green consists of the things that you and I can do, like turning the lights off when leaving a room, or carpooling, or making sure that the power management settings on our computers are set properly. Green consists of the things that we can do right here, right now. What is sustainability? Earlier I used the phrase acting locally and thinking globally, and I said green is the acting locally part. Well, sustainability is the thinking globally part. You could define sustainability as being able to meet our current needs without compromising future generations' abilities to meet theirs. So by engaging in green behaviors like using the power management settings on your computer, you move towards a sustainable outcome. About 60% of the electricity generated in the United States is generated through coal-fired plants. Typically it takes about a half ton of coal to power the average desktop computer for average use over the course of a year. So by engaging in a green practice, like using the power management settings on your desktop computer, you take the next step. You move into sustainability by reducing the electrical consumption now. You reduce the electrical consumption now, we have to pull less coal out of the ground. There are two benefits associated with that. One, the reduced environmental impact, and two, better stewardship of a finite resource should those future generations need it. The other thing that we're doing, by pulling less coal out of the ground, obviously, we're using less coal in those coal-fired electric plants. So there is an immediate reduction in the environmental impacts associated with that as well. So you can look at green as the first step towards sustainability.